I seek refuge of Allah from Satan, the outcast. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Mr. President, respectable teacher, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Mr. President, today my topic is Sirt nabi, peace be upon him. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last Rasul of Allah. He, peace be upon him, was born in Makkah Mukarramah in a tribe named Quraysh. His father Hazrat Abdullah died before his birth, and his mother died when he, peace be upon him, was only 6 years old. His grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib took care of him. When Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, reached the age of 8, his grandfather passed away, and he, peace be upon him, came under guardianship his uncle Abu Talib. Hazrat Muhammad has helped his uncle in his successful karma business. Thanks.